How to use the value proposition canvas to identify stakeholder needs. As a growth leader or professional generating sustainable revenue growth, understanding stakeholder needs is crucial for success. The value proposition canvas is a valuable tool for designing and testing value propositions that align with stakeholder segments. What is the value proposition canvas? It comprises two parts: the customer profile and the value map. Customer profile defines stakeholder characteristics, pains, and gains. Value map details products, services, features, and benefits addressing stakeholder needs. The goal is to ensure a fit between the customer profile and the value map. How to use the value proposition canvas. Identify stakeholder segments using criteria like role, function, industry, location, or behavior. Choose a segment and create a customer profile, gathering data about characteristics, pains, and gains. Create a value map listing offered or planned products, services, features, and benefits. Compare the customer profile and the value map to ensure alignment. Test and validate the value proposition with stakeholder feedback. How to improve your value proposition. Use the canvas to identify gaps and opportunities. Look for ways to reduce stakeholder pains or increase gains. Strive to differentiate and innovate the value proposition. How do you communicate your value proposition? Craft clear, simple statements that stakeholders can easily understand and remember. Focus on the benefits of the value proposition, showing how it solves problems or improves situations. Highlight the value proposition fit and differentiation from competitors. How to use the value proposition canvas with other tools. It can align your value proposition with the business model and strategy. Works alongside the business model canvas to refine value propositions for stakeholder segments. Integration with other elements such as channels, revenue streams, cost structure, and key resources is possible. Utilize the Strategizer toolbox, which includes tools like the environment map, test card, learning card, and progress board. Understanding and meeting stakeholder needs is a critical aspect of being a successful revenue-generating leader. The value proposition canvas is a powerful tool that can help you not only identify these needs, but also design value propositions that effectively address them. By combining it with other strategic tools, you can refine your approach and ensure a strong fit between what you offer and what your stakeholders require. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.